Welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can create a dual axis bar chart using Python and my stikpetP library. I'm currently using Jupyter Lab with a Python kernel that runs version 3.12, and this is the type of diagram I'll show you how to create with that library. To show you how it's actually used, I need some example data, so I'll load in pandas. And then I can use their read CSV function to load the general social survey data from 2012, adjusted for some example purposes. I actually don't need all of its data, I just need one ordinal field, so I'll be using the account scientific field, which was the answers of respondents on how much they felt that accounting was scientific. I'll store that under ord field, and to give you a quick impression, the value count, so for example 199 people thought accounting was pretty scientific. Now my library is not available directly via pip install, so you need to put in the full link to my GitHub account. Once you've installed it once, you can load it in just as any other library. The function of interest is actually vi bar dual axis, so vi is short for visualizations, and the only thing it needs is the ordinal field. So let's take it for a spin. And here we can see the result. So the bars, those are with the left axis showing the frequencies, and on the right hand we see the cumulative percentage, which are for the red one. If you want, you can specify also the label on the horizontal axis. So now it also has a label over there. It's actually just a small wrapper around pyplot. I have a separate video where I show you how you can do it without my library. Alright, I hope this was helpful and thank you for watching.